Hi guys, today's topic is going to be about salt water density test. So I learned this from my school textbook, so I would like to do a little experiment with you for better understanding. Let's get started. So as you can see, you will need 2 eggs, 2 cups of water and 3 tablespoons of salt. So first I'll put this egg inside plain water. The egg sinks to the bottom. Now we'll make this egg float. So this is all 3 tablespoons. So I'll pour it all in. And now I'm gonna mix it. Okay, that's done. And now we put this egg slowly. As you can see, the egg floats. This is because the water is more density than the egg. And you guys can also try this experiment at home with your parents. I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.